What's up everyone, this is Tony, your Journey Crypto. In today's video I'm going to be going over bullish news in the recent weeks, as well as why I believe we're headed into new all-time highs in the cryptocurrency space very soon, and why I think cryptocurrency right now is the investment of a lifetime. So before we get started, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit the bell to be notified when I make new cryptocurrency videos. I'm doing 5 crypto videos minimum per week. Also, share this video with anyone that may be looking to get into cryptocurrencies. So the past few weeks of cryptocurrency news is by far the most bullish news I've seen in cryptocurrency space since I first got into cryptocurrencies years back. So I'm going to be going through all this crypto news that's been coming out. I'm sure you guys have missed some of it, some extremely bullish stuff, and I definitely think we're headed into the next bull market and we're going to be seeing new all-time highs in the cryptocurrency space. Just today, we're seeing Bitcoin break that $10,500 resistance, which is a great sign. Some people are saying we could break upwards of $14,000, even $20,000 Bitcoin, breaking the previous all-time highs very soon because we broke that $10,500 resistance for Bitcoin. We're also seeing Ethereum breaking that $320 resistance. And I definitely think Ethereum is very undervalued right now, especially with ETH2 coming and all the new projects that are using Ethereum. So I definitely think the actual value of Ethereum right now is over $500. And I definitely think we're going to be seeing that correcting. I've seen a lot of people predicting a price of Ethereum of $1,000 or more in the upcoming weeks, especially because they announced that they are testing the final testnet and that will launch on August 4th. Ever since that news came out, Ethereum is up about 30%. And I do think that's going to continue rising, leading towards the launch of Ethereum 2. So that alone is pretty bullish, but there's tons more bullish stuff that's going on. Just insane stuff that's happening for crypto mass adoption. So before we get into the cryptocurrency news, a massive factor that's going to be pushing the cryptocurrency prices up is the huge inflation that's coming due to governments printing trillions of dollars to prop up the economies during the coronavirus. And I do know they are working on another stimulus package now where they will be printing another $1 trillion, and other governments are printing in other countries as well. So massive inflation is coming to fiat currency over the next couple years, and that's definitely going to push up the price of cryptocurrencies alone. On top of that, we have all this massive crypto news that I'm going to be getting into. So this alone is really huge for cryptocurrencies. So Paul Tudor Jones reported he's buying Bitcoin as an inflation hedge. So basically, he's protecting his money, his fiat money, from losing value by putting some of it into cryptocurrency where it could actually gain value rather than lose value due to inflation. So the normal rate of inflation is about 2 to 4% per year on average. And I definitely think we're going to be having 10% or more in the upcoming couple years. And that alone is going to be pushing the price up of cryptocurrencies because cryptocurrencies are finite digital assets. So they do go up in value the more fiat that's printed. So he also compared it to the 70s gold trade, in which gold went up over 700%. So I definitely see massive price spikes coming for cryptocurrencies. We're already seeing it getting started with Bitcoin and Ethereum today. And many altcoins have already gone up 200 to 1,000%, which I'm going to go over a couple of those in this video as well. So first major news recently we had is banks in US can now offer crypto custody services. This is the biggest news I've probably ever heard in the cryptocurrency space. I don't know which banks are planning to take advantage of this or when it's going to happen, but the fact they got the green light on this is going to be huge. If we have Chase and Bank of America and other major banks letting you buy and sell cryptocurrencies and storing it for you as well, that's going to open the door to thousands and millions of retail investors to get into cryptocurrencies in a way that they trust. Some people don't like this news because the whole thing about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies is taking out the middleman of the bank. But you have to consider, if you want the price of cryptocurrencies to go up and make money, it is going to have easy access to people that do want that safety from the bank holding it for them. So I do think this is massive in general, and will definitely open the door to millions of new people getting into cryptocurrencies, which will also help push the prices up of all cryptocurrencies in general. If we see a few banks starting to offer cryptocurrency, I definitely think we're going to be seeing this global market cap pass $1 trillion for the first time. Last bull run, we did get close to passing the 1 trillion. We got up to about 800 billion. So we got very close to that $1 trillion global market cap for cryptocurrencies, but we didn't make it there. So I think next bull run coming up is going to be the biggest bull run we've seen in cryptocurrencies yet. I definitely think we're going to be in the multi-trillions for crypto global market cap. And I definitely think Ethereum is going to be one of the leaders in that with the Ethereum 2 update that's coming. Some more major news in the cryptocurrency space. Visa, MasterCard, and PayPal are all looking to get into cryptocurrency. So the three biggest behemoths in the payment processor world all getting into crypto definitely shows that cryptocurrency is not going away and that it is the future of money. So I am very interested to see how these payment processors plan to get into cryptocurrencies. I know PayPal is looking to offer buying and selling of cryptocurrency directly on their platform, where they will store the private keys for you. So that's going to be pretty massive, opening the door to over 300 million of PayPal's new users, as well as Visa and MasterCard getting into cryptocurrency in a huge way. All huge things that's definitely going to be driving a lot of adoption to cryptocurrency very soon. So we also see Twitch getting into Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, now accepting Bitcoin as a payment to get discounts on their memberships. So Amazon-owned streaming platform Twitch appears to be ramping up its crypto strategy. The site, which focuses primarily on video game live streaming, is now offering users a 10% subscription discount when paying with cryptocurrency through the platform's payment processor BitPay. So I think cryptocurrency and gaming go hand in hand. How I found out about cryptocurrency was through World of Warcraft gaming, because they did have digital gold in the game. So I understood cryptocurrencies right off the bat. So I definitely think Twitch offering cryptocurrency payments is huge, and something to consider is that Twitch is owned by Amazon, and if Amazon gets into cryptocurrency, that would just be the cherry on top of everything else that's happening in the cryptocurrency space over the last couple months. I definitely think it's very possible Amazon may announce this by mid-2021. If everyone else is getting on board, then that's really when every major company is going to start jumping on board as well, just so they don't miss the boat with cryptocurrencies. So lots of mass adoption coming to cryptocurrencies in general. Great to see that Twitch will be offering cryptocurrency payments. We also have ESPN creating an online gaming platform that will allow Bitcoin deposits and withdrawals. This is massive as well. This will be competing with Twitch. So just another online gaming platform accepting cryptocurrency payments. Bitcoin is a form of money in DC. Federal court rules. This is extremely huge news as well. So Bitcoin is a form of money covered under the Washington, D.C. Money Transmitters Act. A federal court said on Friday, in the case of United States versus Harmon, Chief Judge Beryl Howell wrote that money is commonly means a medium of exchange, method of payment, or store of value. Bitcoin is these things, Judge Howell added. Defining Bitcoin as money was integral to the court's decision to not dismiss criminal charges against Larry Harmon, the operator of an unlicensed Bitcoin trading platform, for laundering money under federal law. So next up is PayPal and Venmo to roll out crypto buying and selling. So we already covered PayPal in that Forbes article, but PayPal is pretty huge because they do have 325 million users that will get instant access to buying and selling cryptocurrencies on their platform. I do believe PayPal is going to roll out cryptocurrencies similar to how Coinbase did, adding one cryptocurrency at a time just to get bigger promotions and do better revenue. So I do think they'll start with Bitcoin and Ethereum and then add other top 20 cryptocurrencies one at a time. So we will see how that rolls out, but they did say that this should be prepared within the next 3 months, and we could even see PayPal offering Bitcoin and Ethereum by the end of 2020. So a massive amount of users that will get instant access to cryptocurrencies, somewhere they already trust, so that's huge as well. This is also really huge because last time we were in the peak bull run and everyone was trying to buy cryptocurrencies and there was a rush of demand. Pretty much everyone was getting turned away or their bank wouldn't allow them to buy the cryptocurrency. Also, Bitcoin had massive fees to send at the time and it took over 4 hours to send it. So it gave a really bad impression on cryptocurrencies to the masses when the last bull run did happen. So the more platforms like PayPal we have that can spread out the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies, the better and smoother it will go this time. So I definitely think we'll be passing that couple trillion global market cap this time, and the crypto space is much more prepared this time around. So in 2021, I do think we're going to be peaking past 1 trillion global market cap, but I do think end of 2020 is still going to be really great as well. So more massive news: 7-Eleven, CVS, and Rite Aid. Liberty X adds 20,000 stores to buy Bitcoin with cash. So at many of these locations of 7-Eleven, CVS, and Rite Aid, you can now buy Bitcoin with cash, going into these stores physically and buying Bitcoin. So that's more mass adoption there. 20,000 stores having that option is massive. So something else in cryptocurrency that has made me extremely bullish is the fact that Ethereum, Cardano, and many other projects are switching to proof of stake. This allows you to stake your cryptocurrency coins and earn passive income on them. We also have decentralized finance, which is really ramping up. Now over $2 billion locked in DeFi, which barely just got started at the beginning of 2020. So I think the next bull run is going to be led by proof of stake and decentralized finance projects. So Ethereum 2 is in the final stages of their testnet, which will introduce staking to Ethereum, which is the second biggest crypto at a $30 billion market cap. You have to imagine everyone buying Ethereum at once is going to cause a supply shock at the same time as a massive spike of demand. So I definitely see a massive price spike coming for Ethereum with all of this happening. Definitely $1,000 is possible for Ethereum in the upcoming months. I could definitely see Ethereum hitting $10,000 or more at the peak of the next bull run as well. Many people state that buying Ethereum around $300 right now is like buying Bitcoin around $300 at the end of 2016. So Cardano is also very close to launching staking. In just 2 days, their Shelly Mainnet will launch, which will introduce staking to Cardano ADA. I'm very bullish on this as well. If you guys want to learn more about ADA, there's some videos on my channel. I definitely recommend looking into this project. So DeFi is getting really huge as well, which is decentralized finance. This has really been picking up in 2020. So DeFi hits new heights with more than 1,000 new assets added in May and total user numbers reaching 550,000. I'm sure this is much higher by now as well. We're seeing many DeFi cryptocurrency projects also going up over 1,000%, which is a 10x. So the crypto project Lend just recently was at a price of around 2 cents, end of April, beginning of May. Now at 25 cents, so that's over a 1,000% price jump for Lend. Also Synthetix network token, now at the price of 285. This was pretty cheap very recently. So beginning of June, you could have got this for 75 cents, now 285. Massive return on investment here. So these decentralized finance projects are definitely doing good right now. A lot of people are interested in DeFi, and I definitely think DeFi is going to be a factor driving the next bull run. Also, the inflation and everything else that's just happening with mass adoption, I don't see how we're not headed into a next bull market. Many people have done massive returns on many altcoins, and I think that's going to continue as well. The global market cap of cryptos right now around 320 billion only. Most traditional investments have trillions market cap. Gold alone has a market cap of over 8 trillion. So you have to consider all that. The crypto space is still extremely new. And if you are in cryptocurrency right now, you probably will be rewarded greatly in the upcoming years, especially picking the right altcoins that are pretty unknown and a hidden gem right now. So I definitely recommend subscribing to my channel if you do want to catch hidden gems. I do videos monthly on what I'm most bullish on for the month, and usually 3 or 4 out of 5 of those do have a massive price run and huge return on investment. I've been doing some great trades lately, so definitely subscribe to my YouTube and also follow me on Twitter, where I do post stuff as I see it. I did call the Ethereum price going up on July 17th. I posted that it's time to start stacking Ethereum, and the price has gone from about 275 to 325 now. So if you guys don't use a VPN yet, I would highly recommend it. You could use this on your phone, computer, and other devices. You could even share it with your family. So you can get a 7-day trial for just 99 cents, and then it's only a few bucks a month after that. And you can use this one on up to 10 devices. It's also the only VPN I've seen with a Trustpilot score of 4.8. So this is definitely one of the best VPNs out there, and being able to use it on 10 devices and share it with family is huge as well. So I definitely recommend using this, especially if you're trading cryptocurrencies or you just want to keep your data and private images and stuff safe. Then definitely use a VPN. This also protects you from Google, Facebook, and other platforms seeing what you're searching, and then they can't project ads onto you based on what you're searching, so that does keep that stuff private as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, please share this video with anyone that may be looking into investing into cryptocurrencies so we can help push mass adoption towards cryptocurrencies, and hopefully your friends and family don't miss this next major bull run that we are headed towards. So I do appreciate you guys sharing, and then comment below what are your thoughts on all this news and where do you see the crypto space headed end of 2020. Again, thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.